4, 3, 2, 1. Everything west side, everything west side, everything west side, everything west side. Oh guys, come on. Defenses, okay? Brawl this guys, brawl this guys. Push this, push this, push this, push this, push this, heal up, push this, push this. Yo, push this, push this, push this, push this, push this and heal up, push this and heal up, push this and heal up, okay? Buhay tayong majority, keep pushing, heal up, okay? Come back once you feel low, keep pushing, okay? Detaining, defense shadow. Heal up. Walk in southeast, okay? Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast. Okay, good. Yeah, loot up also guys.
Loot up guys, loot up.
It for.
Pwede ba bang loot?
Loot up. Ang dami pa agila ah. Going any, marami pa agila.
Keep rolling. Yo, Rigir guys, Rigir. Yo, yung mga aking mga members, palutok nga sila.
Hey, gago! Imam! Utang ina tayo, totoo yung dot ko gago! What the fuck?
Andiyan pa yung mga yung bomb nila ah.
Nandito.
Come northeast. You guys get yung mga brawlers ko come northeast. Yo, pa-loot up ng mga 8-3 na gears ng members natin.
Putang ina.
Yung brawlers, nasan? Marami pa yung party, 2 brawlers.
Ito yung agila.
Marami.
On ping.
Come to me.
Buhay pa lahat ng ano, rollers.
Come to me. Go deep, guys. Go deep. As in, mag-mount up kayo, then go deep, tapos brawl nyo. Tangin na, magkakite sila down the choke. Tangin na, i-brawl nyo, guys. I-brawl nyo. Dismount kayo sa likod. I-brawl nyo itong mga to. I-brawl nyo yung mga to. I-brawl nyo lang. Magkakaroon niya sa choke. Defense shallow. Keep brawling now. Mga brawlers nyo, i-brawl nyo. Yung Ricky kayo, bumalik kayo dito. I-brawl nyo.
Block yun na kayo!
I-brawl nyo lang. Hanapin nyo yung 8-4 na ano.
Yung 8-4 kanina.
8-4.
Ito 8-3 oh! 8-3 na ano, hollow pole.
Ping.
Basurero pangalan, Basurero. Nasa taas na.
Running dahil sila sa
Basurero. 8-3 yan ah.
May ipit yan dito. Ito, yung 8-3 yan.
Hollow pole.
Saan? Dito?
Hindi ko
Hindi ko malot, narat.
Ano siya? Patay na ba? Ano pa?
Mugi, ito yung bangamot nila, Mugi.
Patayin nyo lahat.
Yung bag nasa isip, sa
Patayin nyo lahat.
Yung mga rat
Nalut